Meaning of mainframe computer.
Mainframe computer.
Mainframe computer.
Mainframe computer.
Mainframe computer. A mainframe computer is a large and powerful computer used primarily by organizations for processing large amounts of data and running critical business applications. These computers are designed to handle high volumes of input and output (I/O) operations and support multiple users accessing the system simultaneously. Mainframes are known for their reliability, availability, and scalability, making them ideal for handling mission-critical tasks such as financial transactions, airline reservations, and inventory management. Mainframes have been widely used in the past for handling large-scale data processing tasks, and although their usage has decreased with the advent of distributed computing, they continue to be used in several industries.